Hello friends, my name is Nilan Tarange. Today's date is 4th February 2022 and today's video topic is a difference between abstract class and interfaces. Interfaces. Uh, First we can see what is abstract class. Abstract class is nothing but a class which is which having the functions cannot be declared in a body. That's why we can call this abstract class. In abstract class contains defined bodies also and non-defined bodies. That means we cannot provide the functionality or body of the code. Body of the code Body of the code. Mainly abstraction is used when we required to hide some data from the user and can be show required data or essential data to the user. That's why we can use the abstract class. The abstract class can be identified by using the abstract keyword. When we can provide the functionality to the abstract class, at that time we can use the extend keyword. First we create the abstract class and this class can be extended by the another class by using extend keyword. In the abstract class there is a parent child relation between them. Second one is interfaces. When we use the abstract classes, we can require to write the abstract keyword before the method and before the class. But n number of methods are in n number of methods are present in our code. At that time the complexity is occurred. To reduce this complexity we can use the interfaces also used to provide used to implement or used to provide the functionality to the abstract class. Interfaces also used to there is a problem occurred in a inheritance, that is a multiple inheritance. At that time we can see both two parents and one child. The child can be confused which parent property can be which parent property can be given or not. At that time the JVM can be confused. To overcome this problem or to reduce this problem, to avoid this problem we can use the interfaces. By using interfaces we can provide the functionality to the abstract method. In interfaces only abstract methods are present. Before the Java 0.7 the only abstract methods can be provided in interfaces, but at Java 8 we can use also default methods, static methods and default method and static method also. These all are the this is all about interface. And what is the difference between interface and abstract classes? In abstract classes we can use the default abstract method and concurrent method also, but in interfaces we can only use the abstract method, default method and static method. When we can provide the functionality to the abstract class, then we can use the extend keyword. And when we can provide the functionality to the interfaces, at that time we can use implement. In both abstract class and interfaces it is mandatory to provide the abstract method functionality. The example of a abstract class is when we can ride a bike. There is no we don't know about the internal functionality of a bike. We know about how to ride the bike, but we don't know internal functionality of the bike. This is the abstract example, and this is all about interfaces and abstraction. Thank you.